The snow falls quietly on memories. An old song whispers from a dusty shelf, and I remember just by myself. And suddenly the light begins to glow. Mamie, I need to tell you I love you so much. Thank you for all the gentle touches, the sweet kisses on my small forehead, all the tender words you said. I wish you a Merry Christmas wherever you are. I love you always, Mommy. Your kitchen warm with sugar and spice, your hands guiding mine, rolling out the light. You lifted me up to place the star. Oh, how wonderful you are. Christmas, my Mommy, always love you forever.